Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. So today, I don't know how to start this. I'm in quarantine. I'm in my apartment. I've been here for about a week and it's been a while since I've posted, just because we all in that mental state. But anyways, I just want to show you guys my little routine, my lockdown routine. COVID-19 lockdown quarantine routine in the morning. Yesterday, I did so much. I did dishes, I did laundry, I folded my clothes, I cleaned my bathroom. I ate so much freaking food. I should have vlogged yesterday because it's just a funny sight to see me do laundry. I don't know why, but it's just so fun. And just to give you some insight, right now, in lockdown with me, it's just me, my brother Peter, and my friend Zach. So we're here in my place, and then Peter's place is literally a doorway. And so we're here and we've been eating a lot. So I think it'd be interesting to show you what I'm eating, what I'm doing. Comment down below what you're doing. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I can't fucking say it. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, makeup isn't one size fits all. Let's get the day started. So I have some leftover pancakes. Peter made me their vegan. If you guys want to see us make vegan pancakes, let me know. Then I found one banana left, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just chop it up. And these are small pancakes. It's been nice to kind of like have like chill days where I can have like a nice breakfast. And yes, I'm missing one now. Oh, and I also want to show you guys how I make my little matcha because I love matcha. Like to pour it in, fill it up 1/3 of the way, and take my little whiskey thing. And I top it off with a little bit of almond milk. And then I'll just mix it a little bit again. Yummy, 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 yummy. So right now my kitchen is a freaking mess. As you can see, it's my little kitchen. It's a freaking mess, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean this and hopefully be a little bit more stress-free while I sip on my matcha.
Find something true that I like. I won't stress you, dear. I know that you made up your mind. Pretending that nothing has changed. Time is my only escape. I know that I lost you.
Hey guys, so I took a nap like literally on my patio, and it started to rain. So it woke me up because some drops were hitting my head. But I'm gonna show you guys what's my fridge. Like it's kind of like a fridge tour. Here's my fridge. I have a bunch of pictures on here. Here's me and Kenny Johnson, me, Peter, and Fabian, my Formula X magnetic display that was on my collab, and then just a bunch of pictures that got arranged on my fridge. That mean a lot to me. So there's Crispy, Chloe, Kris Jenner, me and Ronnie, my friend Sarah, Kim, Steven, Des and Tony, CJ, Nicole, Fabi, and Peter. And then over here we have like my Mac Dillard's campaign. benefit. Oh my god, look how epic this Halloween was. We were all the cast of Aladdin. And then right here, we have a checklist for upcoming events and outfits and stuff that I have. And then on the bottom, we have all of our items that we haven't worn yet. Look at this. Toilet brush matching set, cheetah print gown, nude latex outfit, mint green snakeskin dress. These are outfits that you guys haven't seen and who it was by. I don't want to reveal right now because I want to make it a moment. But these are all things that I guess are pretty much canceled for 2020. But in the meantime, these are the outfits that I got made. Oh, look, orange feather gown. There's just so much that's on here. Yeah, see, Mulan premiere. I actually wore it. Actually, I brought you guys to the freezer so you guys can see what's in my little fridge and what's in here. Because I'm interested to know what's in your freezers. But I think I'm going to make a pizza because I was going to do chicken adobo. But I think I'm going to make a separate video for that. But I'm just going to do this Red Baron brick oven pizza meat trio. It's simple. I have ranch. Are you guys ranch people? I love ranch with my pizza. I know. I used to be so embarrassed about it, but now I'm just like, whatever, fuck it. But today's a pretty chill day. It's a boring vlog. I don't know what else to show you guys. Here's my little glam core light. Here's what my place looks like. If you guys are nosy and wondering, the couch is a mess. My little desk tour. I have a foot massager that Ronnie gave me for my birthday or Christmas one year. But yeah, this is my place. Let me show you what's in my closet. This is a little bit of a sneak preview of what's in my closet right now. Oh my god, look at these rhinestone boots. Oh my god, Disney from Peter's birthday. This closet is just crazy, but I thought I'd just show you because I'm just so bored. Look at this, it's all rhinestoned. So beautiful. I had this custom done. But these are actually boots from, I believe, Fashion to Figure. And I love Fashion to Figure, but I had them painted black and I had them fully rhinestoned. And it's so freaking gorgeous. Let me show you with a flash. Look at how stunning it is with a flash. Oh, so good. Do you guys see how freaking gorgeous this is? Oh my god. And again, over here, it's that same list of things with a potential mood board coming up. So this is what's in the beginning of my closet. But here's my closet so far. It's a little bit messy right now, but here's just a bunch of things. Love this. I'm using this in a future video, but that's that. But in the meantime, let's make some pizza. Did I show you guys my little rice cooker? She's officially Filipino. Literally for the longest time, I think since I moved to LA, I've been in LA about 3 or 4 years. I've never had a rice cooker. I know for all my Filipino brothers and sisters out there, why? Because I'm already big. Why do I need rice? But since I've now been isolated and it's lockdown, we had gotten the rice cooker, I want to say about a week and a half ago, almost 2 weeks. And so I'm like, okay, fine. Now I really feel like at home. I feel like Mama Star and Papa Star are literally right around the corner because of this rice cooker. It's so, so, so good. And I love rice. And you know, if you're a Filipino or Asian, the rice cooker is always on. So hopefully this will go good with my chicken adobo today or tomorrow. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna make some pizza, eat some ranch, watch some things. But it's been a little bit hard. Let me talk and work. I will say it's been really difficult to post a video on YouTube during this time because it is so sensitive. I'm really, because you know, YouTube is like a big part of me. And I love connecting with you guys and I want to give my very best. And I think when I look back on my channel and what I've created, it's been like so fierce and fun, and it's been an escape not just for me but for a lot of you. And so I just want to be able to keep it that, but you know, also at the same time be a little bit more vulnerable because life opens up on YouTube. But the reality is that the reality is scary. But just wanted to give you guys a little bit of the PatrickStarrr IRL. But this is my pizza. This is what it looks like. Got my ranch ready. I'm just gonna pop it in, watch a movie. Peter and Zach, they're in Peter's place. Peter does live in a separate apartment from me. But I just want to kind of like keep it real, keep it cute, keep it what's up. But I also love to hear from you guys, like what do you guys want to see from me? on my channel, whether it's like vlogs or quarantine vlogs or makeup tutorials. Also too, just to give you some insight, I've been resting my skin because in a few videos ago, I posted that I had a little bit of a keloid here. Turns out, I had messaged Dr. Pimple Popper and it was not a keloid. It was actually a wart. And she said the way that it looked, she also showed her husband and I was able to show her to so shout out to Dr. Pimple Popper for helping me. And I've been freezing it for the past couple of weeks. I was treating it like a keloid, hoping to get steroid shots, but that wasn't the case. So I just got those at-home kits for removing my warts, and it's pretty flat. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty. I put like the little solution that came with it, but it's pretty like there, but it's getting flat. And also my skin has been going through it, so much pimples and stuff because I also get laser hair removal. So at the same time, a lot of the acne and stuff come from the dead hair that gets stuck in the skin. So I've just been being patient, giving my skin a rest. I feel like it's like the only time right now. I don't want to say perfect time because it's not perfect right now, but it's a good time for just for me to like give my skin a rest and just relax. Because literally, as you can see, just from my dressing room and then the schedule on my fridge, it's just like there's so much going on. This has been a nice time for me to reflect and just like be in my place by myself with Peter, with Zach, and just keep it real. Is this shit almost done? I'm hungry. While the oven is preheating, I thought I would show you guys my little beauty room. It's in the state that it's in, just to keep it real with you guys. So yeah. So this is my beauty room. RIP Formula X. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've even shown this on YouTube lately. But this is what we're serving. So I turned on a little bit of a light. Do you guys remember this beauty room that Mr. Kate did? So cute. It's kind of like an apartment tour slash like quarantine vlog. I have no one else to talk to. I know OCD people are getting bugged out by the noms, but should I do an updated beauty room tour while I'm here? Yeah, so I had this, and so I was greatly inspired, and I was running out of space, believe it or not, that I had another one made on this side of the room. This is the beauty room. And then also too, like I don't know if you guys saw earlier when I was like opening my blinds, there was these squares on the side and I love them so much. I will link the company down below, but they're so fun. I decided to put a bunch of them in my iconic, most favoritist moments on this wall above this chest. If you guys don't remember, the chest used to be on this side of the room. And so it's been so long. There was like a pictures there. I'll put a screenshot here of what my room used to look like, but this is the wall. Let me bore you and walk you through my most favorite memories. I'm kind of like a proud mom. Also too, this wall kind of makes me happy because as everything is so crazy right now, I can just come in this room because it's so colorful and I can just look at this wall and be like, these were the memories that I hope and continue to make more of and add these tiles to the wall after this pandemic. But let me just walk you guys through memory lane. I love this wall. There was like my mom and Mac, my first campaign, my family vacation, Priscilla Ono's outfit, my family vacation, Streamies, Mac, Iceland, Kim Kardashian, Naomi Campbell, sisters, Nikita, James, and Gabriel, Paris Hilton, oh my gosh, again, the Genie, Lion King premiere, Khloe Kardashian, the Kylie Skin Party with Kenny Johnson, Lady Gaga, epic at the premiere of A Star Is Born, my Gay Times spread, Raven and Annalisa Vanderpool, me walking in the blondes, oh my gosh, Michael, no, this outfit's amazing. Me and Tyra Banks. Oh my gosh, Fatum Fashion Show, The Blondes again, Toy Story World Premiere, Gay Times again, me bald, me with Jessie Tam, photography, Priscilla Ono, The Wall, Phenomenally Asian, with Oma Beauty, the Billboard Awards, Kylie freaking Jenner. How epic is this tile? My beautiful family, Mama Star, Papa Star, Peter and Paul and me, the Aladdin world premiere, and Kris Jenner and me in drag. And of course, it sits, oh my god, I know, creepy. It sits above this credenza that includes my Charlotte wig, hairspray, and my face molds of me and Peter right here. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful wall. And of course, right next to my Instagram picture of featured creators on Instagram 2016 that was gifted personally by Instagram. So epic. But yeah, I hope this vlog is making you guys smile. I know we all need it. But that's what I think I'm going to continue my channel to be is in the midst of staying home, which is what we should be doing. I'll be doing hopefully videos that can keep you guys and your minds off of this crazy times. But yeah, let a fat bitch check her pizza. And I did not have a proper outro, but we are here editing in the office. Do you guys like this office with my little sign with the stuff? If you guys haven't seen the office tour, be sure to check that out. I miss talking to you guys, and I really just editing the vlog. I need to work on making more eye contact with you because my eyes just move all over the camera, and it makes me so annoyed. But I really want to practice that because I love you guys so much and I want to get to know you guys more. I hope this vlog lifted your spirits, made you smile. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys want to see. Be sure to subscribe. Tell your friends how amazing my channel is and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you guys haven't already. It really means a lot because you guys will get notified if my butt uploads. So be sure to stay tuned for the next videos. Also remember, makeup is a one size fits all. I love you so much and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!